Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. Now, today we are going to see another program for the Python programming practice, and the question is write a Python program to count the number of character frequency in a string. Now, this is my question which I am going to take today here for my Python program practice, and this is a question which actually will be done with the help of the dictionary and the if else conditions. Okay. Fine, my question is asking me to count the number of characters. Like it is asking me to count the number of character frequency in a string. Let's say, let me go to OneNote. Right here. Okay, let's say I'm having a string and that string is, let's say, programming. Uh, Programming. Okay, now what is my question actually asking me to do? It is asking me to count that a particular character is present how many times into this string. So let's say here P is present one times, R is present this one and this one. It is present here two times. O is present only single one time. Moving towards the G is present two times, this one and this one. Fine. After that we have A is present only one single time. Then we have M is present here this two times, this one, okay. Then I is present one times and N is present one times. So these are all the definition and the things of that these are the characters which are present this much of times into your string which you have taken. This is what is called as counting the character frequency. Okay, make sure to remember this out every time, that whenever it is asked you to find out the character frequency, so in that case basically this is the way how you find out the character frequency, that how many times a particular character is present into your string which you have taken, right? So today we need to write out the code for this thing only, that we need to write out the code and we need to count out the character frequency actually. Fine. Let me come down and first of all explain you that how we will be proceeding on with the program, and then we'll be moving towards the PyCharm ID and seeing the practical. Function declaration and all those things I would be doing here. So let's say def and let's say function name, fr frequency, freq. Okay, and my string, let's say my underscore str is my string. Okay, inside that I'll be making a blank dictionary, that is d1 is equal to and a blank dictionary. Okay, applying my for loop, that for I in my underscore str, because I need to check each and every character, right? For I in my underscore str, so here I'll be writing key is equal to dict dot keys. Now, what are the keys in the dictionary? So let's say I define a dictionary, that is, I would just write here a colon and I just give it a value, let's say 1. Then I write B and I give it a value as, let's say 2. So the characters which are written or the values of whatever is written at the left hand side of the colon, that is always your key, and whatever is written on the right hand side of the colon, that is always a value. Okay, value are the element. So here A and B are the keys. So hope you got that what are actually the keys, right? So I'm just taking out all of the keys into my dictionary which I am having. Then I would compare that if I in key, then what to do here? Then basically d1, my dictionary name, d1 in the bracket I is okay, not like this, it would be plus is equal to 1. So I am applying the increment here, that I'm just incrementing if I just got some character repeated second time in my string, so I'm just incrementing that thing. Okay, otherwise what to do here in the else condition? Else tell me that okay, your d1 bracket I is equal to 1 only, and simply return out my d1 here, right? This is how we'll be writing out this program, and after that my function calling would be done and I would be getting out the answer. Let me go on to the PyCharm IDE and implement the same thing, and let's see how it actually gives us the output and how it goes. Fine. Def, and my function name is freq, that is my frequency, and my string name is my underscore str. Fine. Inside this I'll be defining a blank dictionary, that is d1, and dictionaries are always defined inside the curly braces, right? So I'll just put out that curly brace here. After this I'll be applying my for loop, that for I in My string, my underscore str. I is basically the index which is referring to each and every place. So for I in my underscore str, I am having here the key. Okay, key is a variable which I had made. So key is equal to dict dict dot keys. That is like dict dot keys. Fine. Here I'll be making key underscore d1. Okay, this is my variable key underscore d1. So dict dot keys. Right now coming to the next line, I'll be applying my if condition, that if. Okay, if I in key underscore d1, if I in key underscore d1, then d1 bracket I, d1 bracket I, okay, that is plus equal to 1. That is my increment operator implementation which I have done out here. If this is not the thing, then into my else condition, simply write d1 in the bracket I have I, and that is equal to 1. So if it is not like, if it's not incrementing, then simply tell me that okay, you have only this character one time into your string. Okay, and simply I would just print out here print, and in the bracket I'll be printing out here d1. Okay, coming out of my function calling begins. So print, and inside the bracket I'll be writing out a function name, that is freq. And okay, just 1 second right here. Now let me take out the same string which I have taken previously for showing you the example, and that is actually programming, right? It's the time to run out the program. Okay, so unbound method dict dot keys need that argument. Okay, so dict dot keys. Okay, fine. Let me just pass on here as d1. d1, fine. Right here, and now just let me run it out once again. Fine. See what output I am actually getting here. So I am getting here that okay, P is present 1 times, R is present 2 times, O is present 1, G 2 times, A 1 time, M 2 time, I 1 time, and N 1 time. This is how I am getting that a particular character into my string is present how many times here. Right? So this is how you can write out the program for counting the character frequency in a string. Character frequency means that how many times that particular character is present into your string. So this is how you can write out this program. Right, so I hope that you have got a clear enough idea regarding writing out this program, how to write out, how to think that, what things to apply, how to implement that things onto the PyCharm IT. Right, so this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.